part 2 on the Metro restoration. I'll show you what we're going to be doing. I've taken the wings off and you can see where it's just crazed paint here. I've wire wheeled it back. I'm going to take the windscreen out because there's a little bit that goes up the pillars. A small amount on the gutter. So I think we're going to have to go a little bit further than we wanted to originally. Front of the slam panel hinge has been wire wheeled back. I'm going to have to completely clean off the inner wings. You can see the state of the paintwork just underneath here. So I'll have to rub all that back down. What I think I'm going to end up doing is just painting up to this edge. So I'm now starting the dreaded task of starting to remove rust. Really haven't been looking forward to this, and this has held the project up. I'm now removing the windscreen. I have done another video on the windscreen removal, but I'm in no way saying this is how you should do it. This is just how I managed to do it, and I basically pushed it out with my feet. Some minor rust shown on the edges. Here's the screen. The passenger side is the worst. There's a little bit of a repair needed there. I'm not too sure whether I'm going to have to weld anything. So I've just removed the wiper linkage, refit it. The reason why I've had to do it is, as you can see, got some quite bad scabs around the scuttle panel. Nothing's gone through, but so at this point I've wire wheeled basically where the wings are going to be sitting, and I'm putting some zinc primer down where I'm going to be putting the wings, because I need to get the wings back on so I can remove the bonnet, sort out the scuttle panel. After doing some research, I found the best thing to make the join between the car body and the panels is a non-setting adhesive. I've put that on the wing and then I've fitted it, and then I'm going to seam seal around the edges. I bought all new stainless steel bolts to mount the wings on with, so I'm just getting all them secured now. So that's the first wing, just about back on. I've had to leave the bonnet on for now so that I can get it all lined up. I'll just show you now the seam sealer on the inside. I'll probably put a quick coat of stone chip underneath there. As you can see now, I'm moving on to the driver's side and I'm rubbing down all the inner wing. I've done the same on the passenger side, but I've not caught that on camera. I'm not taking the whole thing to bare metal. I'm just rubbing back where all the crazing is in the paintwork, just to get rid of any imperfections, so that I can apply some rust treatment like I have everywhere else, prime it, and then sort it out that way. I think you just saw the wing starting to go back on there in the background. I've now got the bonnet off and I've started to rub down the scuttle panel, and unfortunately it's a little bit worse than I'd hoped. there's a small rust hole, and then right where the VIN number is, there's a small cutout and a little bit of rust. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to get that welded up. I'm just starting to get the rust treatment on now, and then that sees us just about finished. So I'll give you a quick show at where I've ended up with, and it's come out quite well really. I'll have to wait till tomorrow, see how strong the metal is underneath it. I'll probably give it another coat of rust treatment as well before I prime it, and then it'll have a couple of coats of zinc primer. It'll get some high build, rub it down. I want to make sure that you can still see the chassis number though.